Danna and Paylyn. Today we're going to go over our favorite products to not only use on our clients, but also use on ourselves from day to day. Stay tuned! My three words are versatile, user-friendly, and lightweight.
The way that I would describe Unite is where hair dreams come true, from scent all the way to style.
My absolute favorite styling product to use is liquid volume, just because I like a lot more of that messy, undone look. So I just spray it in and crunch my hair up to give it more of that texture. Another trick is you can also spray it in wet and then blow dry it in at the roots to give it a little more volume.
Second Day would be one of my favorite products right now, just because recently I have gotten bangs. So what I like to do is I put a little bit in the tips of my fingers and I like to piece them out a little bit. Booster is usually used when your hair is wet and you use it at the roots. But the way that I like to use it is after I'm done curling my hair, I spray it in the ends and it just breaks up my curls up a little bit, and it kind of acts as like a beachy wave almost for me.
A little trick that I like to do for texturize a spray on day 2 or 3 when I should have washed my hair, I'll actually just spray it in on the roots, let that sit, and then just kind of rub it in a little bit. It acts as a little bit of a hairspray, a dry shampoo, and to give my hair more body and volume.
Using the right shampoo and conditioner will set your hair up of how you like to wear it. So what I like to do is I use our Weekender, which is a clarifying shampoo, which you have watched our previous video, you may know that I only wash my hair probably twice a week, sometimes more, but mostly 2. So this is really good because it clarifies, but it also doesn't strip your hair. So I color my hair and have toner on my hair, so it keeps it really nice. In the other video as well, we talked about our 7 seconds line, which is the moisturizing, which I really like because, again, I color my hair, so I definitely need that moisture.
As you can see, there's a little bit of a trend going here. So my favorite shampoo and conditioner is, of course, Booster Shampoo and Conditioner. 1, it smells amazing, and 2, it just helps give me, like I said, more volume. Been loving the volume this month. Honestly, I would recommend Unite to anyone. Anyone that needs a little bit of moisture, a little bit of volume. Even if you don't style your hair, there's still a product out there for you to use.
Unite is definitely a product line that everybody can fall in love with in 7 seconds.
My favorite product that I've been loving for this month, just because now I have a shorter haircut, is Booster Spray. So I spray that in when my hair is freshly washed, on the roots and all over, just kind of comb it in, and then that helps plump up my hair and give it more lift.
7 Seconds Refresher is considered Unite's dry shampoo. One thing that I want to say about it though is there is the powder in here and the aerosol. So what it usually does when it's been sitting for a little bit, it separates. So one thing that you have to do is you have to shake it until you start hearing the little ball in there. And then that's when you can spray it and it'll work really good. Some people find it makes their hair greasier when they use it, but I find the biggest issue is they don't shake it before they use it. Another little trick that I love to use this for is before I go to the gym or before I go to yoga, I like to spray it in my hair and then do my workout, and it works perfect. Unite has a variety of products. Those are just the products that we decided to show for you today. If you would like to know any more about the product or to find the right product for you, you can come into Soma and we would love to help you.
Make sure to like and subscribe Beauty by Soma and find us on Instagram. Enjoy!